In the modern world, metal chains are very often used in industries. These chains are made in a special way. For the manufacture of chains, thick metal rods are needed, which are bent and chain links are formed from them. For the production of equipment, different components are needed. Some parts for equipment are produced individually. Such parts are made on specialized lathes. Many factory workers work very fast. Their movements are worked out to automatism. So these girls work very fast in a sock factory. Each sock is checked whether it is whole or not. In construction and manufacturing, nails and bolts are very often used. Machine tools are used to produce metal bolts. This makes it possible to mass-produce bolts and meet the needs of production. Metallurgical production contains several stages. From metal can be made both parts and parts, as well as equipment. In order to make something out of metal, the metal must first be melted. Metallurgical furnaces are used to melt metal. In this world, intelligence is very important. What can be used to get shoes out of the water? For this, of course, you need a stick. Modern lathes perform precise work. To perform precise work, program-controlled lathes are used. On such machines, software helps to produce a part of any complexity. How to make a mold with sides from round plastic. To do this, you need a machine that processes the edge with corrugated folds. There are craftsmen who work with metal. The technique they use was used 100 years ago. Modern girls can do any job, even the one that men do. These girls work very fast, they plaster the walls, they are masters of their craft. Modern lathes perform precise work. To perform precise work, program-controlled lathes are used. On such machines, software helps to produce a part of any complexity. Lathes simplify production and reduce its cost, and perform work of any complexity. Such machine tools are programmed. This homemade invention is used in agriculture to irrigate agricultural fields. This helps to grow more crops. Many production processes are automated. Therefore, production costs are significantly reduced. This is reflected in the price of finished products. And then finished products become more accessible to the buyer. Girls work the same as men. They are masters of their craft. Girls also perform high-altitude work with ease and accuracy. Have you seen how special huge chains are made? These chains are made in a special way from individual links. These chains allow you to carry huge loads. This is the production of bearings. Automatic machines and machine tools allow to produce a large number of bearings at the same time. This reduces their cost to buyers. Time goes forward. Our grandfathers and great-grandfathers pushed the process forward. Technology is improving and changing every minute. Progress is moving forward.